Hey everyone, I'm really excited because I have a lot to tell you about this beautiful 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. We have pictures of it taken down to a bare shell. Complete restoration, inside out, top, bottom, motor, everything. All the documentation of that's right here. This car was featured in Stang Magazine, a 6-page spread. It was featured at the Carlisle Ford Nationals. It was in their building in a special display. It has a feature article in Mustang Times. And we have the original Marti Report. This is a real Mach 1 born, the Grabber Green Metallic, 1 year only. It's a factory Ram Air car. He did take the liberty of upgrading the suspension, putting in a Tremec 5-speed, 389 posi in the back. So it's a really great car. We're going to tell you all about it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 really great cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, it talks all about it in the magazine article. The fellow that restored it had it media blasted, literally took it to a bare shell. We have photos of it, and then completely restored it. Now this is a functioning ram air hood, functioning scoops with the hood pins. It's absolutely straight, fits real nice. This fender is pristine. This is all excellent all the way down to the bottom here, all smooth. Has the sport racing mirrors. Big doors, opens very easily. The jambs are painted real nice. Shuts real nice. The gaps are right on the money. You talk about a fastback, this window is almost laying flat. And all this looks great. The quarter panels, the trunk lid, all looks real nice. There is a chip in the paint right here that's touched up. This is all smooth and clean. Look at how straight the car is. And again, look at the lines on this thing. All of this is clean all the way down to the very, very bottom. All nice and clean. The gaps are real nice. Jambs are painted real nice. Fender, everything. The body's mint. Here's another chip right here that's touched up. So it's got a couple chips in the paint, but it's a 1 year only Grabber Green Metallic. Now they made Grabber Green, but not a metallic, only in 71. And this was born this way. Matter of fact, with the combination of the white interior, it's one of, I think, 311 made total. It has the blacked out hood treatment. That's all real nice, like a flat or satin black on the hood. That started with the race cars, so it wouldn't get the glare in the driver's eyes. Up front here, the grille, the emblems, the bumper, the lower spoiler, all that looks very nice. The hood locks look very nice, just a little bit of gentle wear. 351 Ram Air. Not many were Ram Airs. Reproduction antenna has the optional side stripes and all the decals and the lower black. All that's real nice. All the glass was replaced, and it's smoked glass. I have the windows up on the other side. It's a lightly smoked glass. Windshield was replaced as well. And then all the seals were replaced. Came with Magnum 500s. That's right on the Marti Report. These are reproduction. They're 15-inch, probably a little bit wider. They're sparkling. They're beautiful. They're wrapped in B.F. Goodrich tires. Has the rear spoiler. I think that was even on the Marti Report. So for the most part, it came like you see it, and then he added some upgrades. Everything back here is beautiful. The honeycomb panel, the gas cap, the lenses, the bumper. That's all looking great. And now you see it with the tinted windows. Beautiful car. I sincerely like this one a lot. Let's open it up and see how nice the interior and the motor is. Isn't this car cool? The colors, the options, everything about it is awesome. So they painted under here, cadmium plated bolts, the jam, the weather strip, all that looks great. It's the sport deck seat, so this here actually opens. And it's all been sprayed with like a bed liner material. It's rust-free metal. It does have a glove box liner, not installed yet. I think that's on our list of things to do. And then it has the complete collapsible spare and jack assembly. Here's the jack, the tire, and even the air bottle. Now you'll never use that, but it's cool that it's there. And then they've added some 6x9 speakers as well. So nice looking trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the videos are posted. Now, I said all new glass. I think the quarter windows might be original. There's a couple light scratches. Check out the door jambs. They're real nice and painted, and the weather strips are new, and the stickers and sill plates look new. There's a few chips on this side from probably a seat belt hanging out in the door jamb. Door panel, it's a deluxe interior. The white molded door panel is real nice, and then it has speakers at the bottom. All restored. New dash pad, the whole instrument panel, all real nice. Has the factory tachometer that was actually an option. 1,300 miles on the odometer. That's since restoration. All the knobs, everything's real nice. The gauges are clean. This is actually a retro stereo. It's a digital stereo hooked up to 6 Polk audio speakers, 2 Rockford amps, and 2 subwoofers. Classic auto air, electric slide controls, clock, and it's actually working. All this is nice and clean. The kick panels are real nice. It has Mach 1 floor mats, and underneath it has the carpet with the mats sewn right into it. It has the nice Hurst shifter with the T-handle. And for the fuel injection, there's a little digital screen. I like that it's hidden out of the way. A lot of times they're hanging on the dash, and I think they're ugly, but that's nice. Tall console. You can actually use the armrest. Factory-born white interior car. It has new cushions. They're nice and firm. All reupholstered. It's got, they put in retractable shoulder belts. A little nicer, a little safer. Now inside, this is called the Sport Deck seat. It's a fold-down seat. You can see the carpet's real nice, and all the panels are real nice. Let's flip the seat up and show you how that looks. Oh, I gotta move my seat 1 second. There we go. There you go. Nice white interior. Got seat belts in back as well. It's a custom one-piece headliner instead of the old vinyl droopy headliner. It's a nice one-piece. Working dome light. Visors look new. The mirror looks new. Steering wheel's in excellent shape. Very nice interior with some really cool features. I like it a lot. Now the description said it had amps and subwoofers. I got to look for those. It's got the stereo and the speakers. Maybe the amps are hidden. I'll have to double check that. Read our description online. So look at this engine compartment. This is detailed, the show quality. That's a 351 Cleveland that's been bored and stroked to a 408 stroker motor. All sorts of goodies in the engine. Read, again, go to our website. You can read the notes, but it's got like roller rockers, and there were actually trick flow aluminum heads, but they're painted Ford blue to match. It's an aluminum intake painted blue. And it has the Holly Sniper fuel injection underneath there. And again, this is a factory ram air. This seals up to the hood and forces the fresh air in the motor. All detail. Look at the proper color finishes on all the metal, the new nuts and bolts and stickers, and everything's detailed. All the wiring, Autolite battery topper, the correct bracket holding it down, reproduction hoses and clamps. Alternator looks new. Up front here, everything's detailed and it's the right finishes. They've added an electric fan. It's got a new shroud. Now this is an all-new air conditioning system. When they restored the car, it's all new. It's classic auto air. Again, look how everything's detailed. It has power steering with the optional cooler for the power steering. The washer bottle's hooked up. Here's the horns. All the plug wires are run neatly. Just everywhere you look, just highly detailed. Power brakes. So we got ram air, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and a highly detailed engine compartment. Look under here. It's beautiful. So there you have it. Michael's going to show you how this runs. Oh, it's got a set of coated headers under there too. Michael's going to show you how it runs, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
About to have some fun in this little Mustang right here. I'm excited. Got a fuel injected 351 under the hood, turnkey reliability Holley Sniper fuel injection system. This thing just, we cranked right over and sounds really healthy. Nice exhaust there with the X pipe, just sounded fantastic. That's paired with a 5-speed manual transmission as well, so go out and take the long way to the cruise night with this one. Be a great experience on the highway or backcountry roads even. Have a lot of fun. Air conditioning is on and running. That's like a modern air conditioning system. It also has power steering, power brakes. Fantastic so far. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with no problem at all. Let's bump it into 5th gear here, see where we're at. 60, it looks like 2,000 RPMs, 2,050 maybe. Does look like all the other gauges are working over here. Coolant, showing a charge. Everything just looks fresh and nice. The bottom side too is looking good. Check out pictures of the undercarriage. And this engine bay is just immaculate. I was just taking a good look at that, and it is done up real pretty on this one. So, yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. You're not going to regret it. There's no complaints at all on this car. And, yeah, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
I've got a little more information to offer. So it has 4 Polk speakers hooked up to the retro digital stereo. It doesn't have the amps and subwoofers. Also a little more info about the engine. It is a Molnar forged crank and rods and diamond pistons, forged pistons, custom ground comp cam, roller lifters, the trick flow 225cc aluminum heads, the roller rockers, the single plane aluminum intake, with the fuel injection on top. Now underneath the car is completely done too. Also the interior is completely lined with sound deadener. We're talking about the roof, the floors, the walls, everything is all sound deadened. Underneath the car was all stripped bare. It was all clean, rust-free metal. Matter of fact, they put in a complete one-piece floor pan. So there's no rust, no patches, and the whole underbody was sprayed with the durable chip guard black paint. And then everything was rebuilt, and most of it, or a lot of it, was upgraded. A lot of Global West parts. So it has a close ratio steering box, KYB gas shocks, Global West tubular upper and lower control arms, roller spring perches, 1.5-inch drop springs. It has the Shelby drop, they call it. It remounts something different. It lowers it 1 inch. Subframe connectors, the tubular connectors front to back to keep the car from twisting. 4.5 mid-eye leaf springs. It has disc brakes up front, drum and back. All that's been redone. It has a really nice exhaust. Looks like stainless from the headers to the mufflers, with a little crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and the tailpipes. All that looks real nice and fresh. The fuel tank was replaced. Then we got looking up at the motors, just all nice and clean and detailed. And we have a TKO 600 Tremec 5-speed manual trans with a hydraulic clutch, McLeod extreme street clutch. It has a quick time blow-proof scatter shield. Aluminum drive shaft leads back to the 9-inch rear end with a Yukon center section that has Eaton True Track 389 gears and Mosier 31 spline forge axles. So everything's been rebuilt and upgraded for the most part under the car. I think there's even a drive shaft loop, a safety loop. Just amazing. The colors, the looks, the stance, the options, the quality. All good stuff with this one here. Really nothing to apologize for. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 71 Mustang delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.